The minimal polynomial of this matrix is, first option is this, second is this, third and four, none of these. Minimal polynomial is monic least degree polynomial that annihilates matrix given matrix. So I write the definition: minimal polynomial, monic least degree polynomial that satisfy by matrix given matrix A. So call this matrix A. So if you focus on this matrix 2 0 0 0 1 2 0 0 0 0 2 1 0 0 0 5, this matrix is block matrix. You can write or make blocks like this. How to make blocks? You should keep in mind whenever you are making blocks, matrix or submatrix below or above should be 0 like this. This is 0 matrix, and above this matrix again 0 matrix. So there are square matrices. These are square matrices having 0 matrix either in above or below. So these are block matrix. And characteristic polynomial, when we have block matrix, then characteristic polynomial for this one say px, and for this one is qx, then characteristic polynomial will be px into qx. Means write characteristic polynomial of individual matrix and then multiply. That will be the characteristic polynomial of the given matrix. So block matrix, as first block matrix, you can say this is upper triangular matrix, and we know that eigenvalues or eigenroots of upper triangular matrix are diagonal elements. So x minus 2 square is the characteristic polynomial for this one, and the characteristic polynomial for this one will be x minus 2 x minus 5. Why? Because this is lower triangular matrix, and same method is used here to find characteristic polynomial. So characteristic polynomial is x minus 2 cube x minus 5. We have the property that minimal polynomial is always divide annihilating polynomial or characteristic polynomial. So factor of characteristic polynomial always the factor of minimal polynomial, and same root minimal polynomial and characteristic polynomial have. So possibility of characteristic polynomial will be x minus 2 x minus 5. This factor always contain, and x minus 2 is square x minus 5, x minus 2 cube x minus 5. These are only three possibilities of minimal polynomial, but we have to check which one is correct, which one is minimal polynomial. So replace x by a and check which one polynomial is annihilating matrix A. So keep in mind, this is if x minus 2, so it means that replace x by matrix A and 2 times identity matrix. This is the meaning when we are dealing in matrix for polynomial. So check that 2 0 0 0 1 2 0 0 0 0 2 1 and 0 0 0 5. Subtract 2 times identity matrix means only diagonal element will be subtracted. and remaining one will be same. So matrix we obtained from this one will be 1, sorry, 0 from 0 will be here, 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 5. If there is calculation mistake, then you can understand this is A minus 2 times identity matrix, and we should multiply this one as x minus 5, means A minus 5 times identity matrix. So 5 times identity matrix will be minus 3 0 0 0 1 minus 3 0 0. Only diagonal element will be changed, 0 0 minus 3 1 and 0 0 0 0. Now check that is product of these two matrices we are obtaining 0 or not. So there is no need to multiply each row by columns. This is non-zero entry as 1 and this one. So whenever, sorry, this one. So we will obtain a non-zero entry in this place, second column. So we are not obtaining zero matrix. There is no need to check thoroughly we are getting zero or not. If only single entry is non-zero, then it means that this is not zero matrix. Now come to the second option, x minus 2 is square x minus 5. As we already know that this is x minus 2, so make a square of this one. So a square of this one will be first non-zero row with this one. So first entry is same, this by this, so 1, and other entry is 0. So directly you can check this process, or you can find minimal polynomial is by the possibility first to find the characteristic polynomial, means a minus lambda I, find this determinant equal to 0 and solve. That will be time consuming to find characteristic polynomial, because this question is asked in exam, time bound exam. So don't waste the time to find characteristic polynomial by this traditional method. If you know or have the idea of block matrix, then find the characteristic polynomial by block matrix. And I'm telling you, option C is the characteristic polynomial and option B is minimal polynomial. So you can check as I told you the process.